In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with your MailChimp campaigns. This is a fantastic way to gain deeper insights into how your email marketing performs and refine your strategies for better engagement. We'll go through this process step by step so you'll have everything set up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Analytics. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, go ahead and sign in. This is the starting point where all your web tracking data will be collected and analyzed. Now, if you haven't already set up a property for your website, make sure you do that next. Creating a property is crucial because this is how Google Analytics will gather data specific to your website, helping you track and understand visitor behavior. Once your property is set up, it's time to grab either the tracking ID or measurement ID from your analytics account. This ID is essentially the unique identifier that links your Google Analytics data with your other digital tools, in this case MailChimp. Now we're going to shift over to MailChimp, log into your MailChimp account, and once there, click on your profile picture. You'll want to navigate to the account and billing section, and from there find integrations. This is where you'll connect Google Analytics with MailChimp. In the integration section, search for Google, then select Google Analytics from the results. You'll need to authorize this integration by granting permissions to MailChimp. It might sound a bit technical, but what you're essentially doing is allowing these two platforms to talk to each other, exchanging data for enhanced campaign tracking. Next, let's turn our attention to creating a campaign. Go to Campaigns, then All Campaigns, and click on Create Campaign. You're going to select Email, which is by far the most commonly used form of campaign in MailChimp, and design your email to suit your needs. When you reach the Settings and Tracking section of your campaign setup, this is where you'll want to enable Google Analytics tracking. This will ensure that all data from this campaign is sent to Google Analytics for future analysis. Here, make sure you provide a clear and identifiable campaign name. This will help you easily track and identify performance data in Google Analytics later on. Finally, take a moment to review everything. Check your design, settings, and tracking configurations. Once everything looks good, you're ready for launch. By taking these steps, you've now seamlessly integrated Google Analytics with your MailChimp campaigns, opening the door to deeper insights and more strategic email marketing. Happy tracking, and thanks for watching today's tutorial.